Hi, it's Cameron here from Capital Machinery with a Reflex RHD42A rebar cutting machine. This is a vertical heavy-duty rebar cutter, ideal for production cutting or large construction projects. With a large cutting capacity, you can cut between 1 and 6 bars per cutting cycle. This is a very well-built machine, which is extremely reliable and very easy to maintain. Each cutting blade has 4 cutting edges, which can be rotated as required, giving you years of cutting before the blades require replacing. The ergonomic design is easy to set up, has fast cutting time, and reduces operator fatigue. The Reflex 42A is also available with a roving foot pedal, which some operators prefer. The compact vertical design reduces floor space, which is great for smaller workshops. This machine has a 3.7 kilowatt motor with a triple drive B-belt system. If you're in need of a heavy-duty rebar cutting machine, I would recommend the Reflex rebar cutter. You can buy online or you can contact us for more information.